Welcome to the Astute Investment Suite service on Astute Online. You can now download consolidated investment reports for your clients and view your total assets under management across participating investment companies in a downloadable dashboard via the Astute Online platform. This data enables you to monitor, report, provide advice where required, as well as to act in the best interest of your clients. Once you have completed your registration process, which is explained in a separate video, you will be assigned a username, a password, and a 4-digit PIN to access the system. To access the service once you've successfully logged in on the Astute Online platform, click on the Investment Switch tab and navigate to Dashboard. On your dashboard, you'll have an option to download your investment data as well as an option to manage your platform. Upon completion of the onboarding process, which is explained in a separate video, data will be requested from the selected investment companies and will be channeled to your selected platform after 48 hours. In this tutorial, we will be guiding you on how to download investment data. Select Option drop-down to choose from the two download options. You will have an option to download My Investment Data as well as an option to download All Representatives Data. Please note, only key individuals will have access to download All Representatives data. All Investment Switch users will be able to download their investment data. Click on the Download All Representative Data option and select the relevant content providers. Then click on the Select File Download option to select the report you wish to download. You will have an option to choose from the Daily Transaction Report, which provides daily updates of inflow and outflow transactions from the previous day. You can also download the Assets Under Management report, which will display all assets under management for your client base, as well as an option to download all the files. Click on the Download All the Files. A pop-up screen will be displayed for you to select the file type between Excel and CSV. Please note, the Excel file type will display full reporting functionality, while the CSV file type only gives basic downloaded information. Select preferred file type, then click on the Download button. On the Assets Under Management dashboard, we will list all the brokers linked to the FSP. You may filter to view its representatives' data or click on the broker name using the slicer. Remember, only key individuals will have access to view all representatives linked to the FSP. Your combined assets under management total will be displayed, as well as how the total is spread out between the various content providers. We will also present you with a combined assets under management graph, where you'll have an option to filter per content provider or currency. Your top 10 funds will be listed, and we'll also give you a breakdown of how the funds are spread out between the various content providers. We'll also present you with a graphical illustration where you'll have an option to filter per fund name and also be able to filter per content provider. Your bottom 10 funds that is not exactly 00 will be listed. We'll also provide you with a client summary and also give a breakdown of the total number of clients within your portfolio. From the client summary, we will then list your top 10 clients, your bottom 10 clients that is not exactly 00, and clients with exactly 00 total. On the Assets Under Management per Client tab, you will see all the representatives linked to your FSP. You can click on the broker name using the slicer to view the representatives' data, or you may make use of the filter option. You may also filter per currency and per client name. In this report, we will display clients' details such as the investor ID number, but please note all ID numbers displayed in this tutorial are fictitious but generally will be displayed in full. We will also provide you with the investor first name, investor surname, investor registered name for legal entities such as trusts or companies. We will also provide you with the sum of market value, sum of advice fee, and sum of management fee if applicable. Under the Value per Fund tab, we will display various funds under specific content providers. You will have the filter option to view its representatives' data, or you can make use of the slicer option by clicking on the broker name. The client investment portfolio gives a breakdown of your client's funds with various content providers. In this section, we provide information such as the content provider, contract number, product name, fund name, sum of number of units, and the sum of market value. You will still have the filter option on the broker ID number and the client name. Remember, you can make use of the slicer option to view its representatives' data. You can also do the same for your clients if you want to view per client. Now let's have a look at the information that you will be receiving from the transactional file. This report displays inflows and outflows of data from the previous day. In this section, we will be providing you with the client's ID number, first name, surname, contract number, content provider, transaction date, product name, transaction type, as well as the transaction value. Remember, the slicer option allows you to view each representative's data per client. This concludes our tutorial on the reporting tool. Should you need further details around the Astute Investment Switch service, kindly contact our support team on 086 127 8883 or email us at support@astutefse.com. Thank you for watching.